Your tool's motor uses two carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Hi, I'm Mark Socha. Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers, outdoor grills, our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone. Let's get started. I'll begin by removing the motor cap. With the cap removed, now I have access to the brushes. To replace the brush, I'll first remove the wire lead, then I'll pull the tension spring away from the brush, and then I can pull the brush out of the holder. To install the new brush, I insert it into the holder, place the tension spring on the rear of the brush, and reinstall the wire lead. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor cap. That's all it takes to install new brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment.